So, what do you do? So, it's a conversation between Amy and Derek. Okay. What do you do, Derek?
Okay.
What do you do, Derek?
What do you do,
Derek.
Direct?
So here what we'll do na Pankaj and Manoj, we are going very slow. Same thing, I am full, the view is great.
Okay.
इस टोन में हमको conversation रखना है. We are going to learn how to do conversation slowly so that we can focus on what? Pronunciation. Okay. What do you do, Derek? With the hand.
Okay.
Pankaj, what do you do, Derek?
What do you do, Direct?
Give mic to him. I work
I
work part-time as a server.
I work part-time as a server.
Okay, you can with the book, you can do action with as a server. Okay, what do you mean by server? A person who serves drinks, food, snacks. Okay, that's called as a server. I work part-time as a server. Oh, really? Pankaj loud.
Oh, really?
What restaurant do you work at?
What restaurant do you work at?
Restaurant.
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 What restaurant you work at?
What restaurant do you
कोई
work
भी जब
at?
बड़ा वर्ड आता है ना उसको syllables में break करो. Restaurant. Which restaurant you work at?
What restaurant do you work at?
Work at.
Work at.
At कब लगाते हैं? जब हम उस place पर हैं. I am at Stella's Cafe. I am at Global Heights. I am at my home. So at क्या हो गया यहाँ? Preposition.
Yes.
Okay. That's cool. Vinod, that's cool. Oh, sorry. I work at
Stella
I'm
Cafe.
so sorry. Let it be. It's mobile. It's on time.
I work at Stella Cafe downtown.
Very good. I work at Stella's Cafe downtown. Downtown, uptown. At Stella's Cafe. That's cool.
That's good.
How do you like it?
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 It's okay.
It's okay.
I am on my feet all day.
I am on my feet all the day.
और ये क्या है एक्सप्रेशन? आई एम ऑन माई फीट ऑल डे. मैं सारे दिन भर खड़े होकर वहां काम करता हूँ. वेयर ही वर्क्स? आई वर्क एट स्टेलास कैफे एंड ही इज अ सर्वर. क्या है वो? सर्वर है. एंड ऑल डे ही इज वेरी मच he gets really tired because he is working all day long. He is working throughout the day, all day long. Okay, उसके shift hours ऐसे हैं कि वो दिन भर उसे on his feet रहना पड़ता है, on one toe. Okay.
So I'm always tired.
So I'm always tired.
So I'm always tired.
Always.
Always.
Go slow, Vinod. I am always tired. I am.
So I'm always tired.
Okay. So wherever you get stuck, no, Pankaj and Vinod, try to go slow there. जैसे आपको लगता है ना यहाँ मुझे थोड़ा difficulty हो रहा है बोलने में, follow the same pace. I am always tired. Like for example, see, I am full. I am running late. इससे क्या होगा ना? See, why I am following this slow technique? इससे ये पहली चीज होगा कि आपकी fluency बहुत अच्छे से आएगी. आपका pronunciation बहुत अच्छा होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि first आप पहले slow जा रहे हो. पहले slow जाओ. फिर फास्ट जाओ. I am running late. I am running late. I'm running late. I work at Stella's Cafe downtown. I work at Stella's Cafe downtown. I work at Stella's Cafe downtown. Okay? Now over here. I'm always tired. What do you do?
What do you do?
I
am a dancer.
Very good. I'm a dancer. And two accents here. Dancer and dancer. Both correct.
Okay.
A dancer?
A dancer?
So now here there is what? An exclamation mark is there. Can you see? Exclamation mark is there. A dancer? How exciting.
How exciting.
Okay. Again, give that expression, Vinod. A dancer?
A dancer?
How
What-
exciting!
How exciting!
Means कितना अच्छा है यार. You're a dancer. Wow, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. I work with incredible,
Incredible.
incredible
Incredible.
In-
Speak with me, both of you. In.
in
Pankaj, when you get stuck, no, break it in syllables. Incredible. Incredible.
Incredible.
हम बोलते हैं ना incredible India.
incredible.
Okay, so ये अलग अलग टाइप के डांसर्स से मिलती है. Maybe dancers from Brazil, maybe dancers from India. So I get to meet with incredible people. Okay, so she loves her job. She loves her career.
Yeah, it's great. I work with incredible people.
Okay, so she is having experience with different types of people. Okay, that's why she say कितना मतलब अलग अलग यूनिक लोगों से बात करती है. डिफरेंट हम बोलते हैं ना इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया. क्यों बोलते हैं हम इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया? बिकॉज इंडिया में सब कुछ है. फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ, सो मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड, डिफरेंट क्लोथिंग, डिफरेंट स्टाइल. इनक्रेडिबल. Okay, that's the meaning of incredible India. Incredible people. That sounds really nice.
That sound really nice.
But is it difficult?
But is it difficult?
Question, is it difficult?
A little.
Okay, a little. Pankaj,
a
like this.
little.
A little.
I am on field.
On my feet.
On my. I am on my field. All day too. But I love it.
इसको कैसे बोलोगे पंकज? Once more. A little. थोड़ा सा difficult रहता है. A little. But I am on my feet all day too. But I love it. Okay. But here there is no. But is not there.
Okay.
First.
Oh,
A little.
A little.
I'm on my feet all day too.
I am on my field all days too.
All day too.
All day too.
But I love it.
But I love it.
But I love it.
But I love it.
Okay, something she loves to do.
Yes.
Great. Okay. Did you understand the conversation?